Hey guys, what's going on? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. In today's video, I want to show you how to make $1,000 per day online. So if that's something that you've been wanting to do, this is the video for you. The nice thing is I'm showing you how to get free money online. Alright guys, before we jump into the video, I just want to show you one thing. I've been putting out between 5 and 12 videos a week, so if you don't want to miss any videos, make sure you click that subscribe button, make sure you click that little bell, and then send me all notifications. That's all you gotta do, and then you'll see all the videos that I release. Alright guys, so you're probably wondering, how can I make $1,000 per day online and it's free? This is free money. I'm gonna show you how to make free money online right now. So what I recommend you do is you start on AliExpress, okay? So you need AliExpress and you need eBay. Very simple. Okay, two accounts that are free to join, they're free to use, and you can make a lot of money. One thing I just want to say is I do not do this, okay? What I'm going to show you is something I don't do. This is what a lot of my friends do, okay? I know they make a lot of money doing this, but this is not something I do because I don't like the kind of the principles behind it. But I'm just going to explain it to you anyway. You can judge for yourself whether you want to do it or not. So let's just jump into it. I like the category home and garden because that's what I sell on Amazon as well. Let's do kitchen knives. No, let's not do that. I don't want to do that one. Let's do home and garden. Let's do cooking tools. Okay. So all you're going to do is you're going to find a product on here. So it doesn't matter. It could be, this little gadget. It could be, this egg separator. Maybe it's this thing right here. Let's see. This is pretty much the same thing as this one. Let's do this one. Hot fashion screw cap jar bottle. So we're just going to type that in here. Hot fashion screw cap jar bottle. Okay, there it is. So alright, so it's selling for $7.99, selling for $11.74. What does it go for here? $2.23. Okay, so it's selling for $2.23 here. So if you sold it here, you'd make like $1 or $9.50. Okay, $9.51. Here it's not selling, but that's bids. Buy it now, $6.41. If you're not sure if it's selling or not, just come up here, click on advanced, click on sold, hit search, and it's going to show you when it sold and how much it sold for. Okay, so this one sold for $1.51, sold on May 15th. Okay, it's not good. That is not good because today is July 31st. May 14th, July 7th, sold for $4.13. You're making money here. Okay, it's not the best product, it's not going to sell the fastest, but it will sell. Let's see, let's look at some other ones. Let's look at this one, fancy sausage cutter. There it is. Fancy sausage cutter. So right there, it's selling for, on AliExpress, selling for 80 cents a piece. You go out the 2-piece, so 2 pieces, 80 cents. You can make 99 cents for this one. Okay, it sold yesterday, July 30th. This one sold yesterday, July 30th. This one sold July 26th. July 24th. So within the past week, okay, these are selling. What I recommend, okay, based on what my friends tell me, is do not do quantity 100 or 1,000 like a lot of people do. What you need to do, let's actually go back. Let's get out of advanced, okay. Let's get out of that. I want to show you something. So let's say you come here, $5.99 free shipping, okay. It doesn't say their quantity. Oh, 5. Available 5. You do not want to do quantity 100 or 1,000 because that looks very spammy. What they recommend is do like quantity 5 to quantity 10. Okay? And then once they get down to like just, 2 or 3 units left, then bump it back up. Okay? Very simple. Let's go find another one. Let's see. It's got to be something. Let's go to... I'm going to show you one more example because I'm pretty sure you're kind of getting exactly what you need to do. Here's one. No, let's not do that. Let's do this thing. Sweet leaf silicone tea infuser. No, not like that. Let's do this one. Lemon silicone tea infuser. Lemon silicone tea infuser. If I could spell, that'd be great. Tea infuser. Okay, here it is. So it looks like it's this one right here. right? There it is, little leafy thing, pretty much like these. So let's say it's going for $7.67 and you're buying it for 50 cents. Okay, so you're gonna make $7 and, you know what, 10 cents? I don't know, something like that. Not bad. Okay, here's another one. It looks a little bit off. Yeah, it's not the exact same one. But there it is. I think that's the same one. $5.99, again, 50 cents. You can make $5.49. Not bad off one item. Let's go check, see how fast it's selling. Okay, go up there, advanced, sold listing, search. Here we go. Sold today. So that person made 50 cents. This person made 30. This person made almost 50 cents. Again, almost 50. This was yesterday, 2 days ago. You know, here's another thing. These little diver guys. You can make money off this stuff. Okay, I'm just showing you how you do it. Now, I'm not gonna, you know, break it down and say, okay, you need to do 500. You need to sell 500 units. You need to make, you know, $1 off each one, and or $2 off each one. You need to sell 500 units every single day. You understand the math, okay? If you want to make $100 a day, obviously you need, if you're going to make $1 per unit, you need to sell $100 per day, okay, or 100 units per day. It's that simple. If you need to do 1,000 and you're only making $1 per unit, you need to make you need to sell 1,000 units per day. It can be one of these. It could be, you know, 5 of these. It could be, you know, 10 of these. Whatever it is, it all adds up. You just gotta get the sales. Okay. Like I said, use eBay, use AliExpress. Okay, you can make a lot of money. You just have to put in the work. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to help you out the best I can. Like I said, I'm just showing you this. This is something that my friends do. This is not something that I personally do myself. But it is a great business to get into if you want to start from the bottom, from not spending any money. Okay, start here, work your way up, build that capital, build up that bank account, and then roll that over into the next business. So again, if you have any questions, let me know. Make sure you smash that like button if you like this video and want more videos just like this. And also subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys on the next video.